Two colliding heat domes are fusing into a monster high-pressure system over the heart of America, right now, trapping scorching air like a lid on a boiling pot and pushing heat indexes past 105 degrees Celsius from the Great Lakes to the Gulf Coast. This double heat dome merger is delivering the first widespread major heat wave of 2026, affecting over 200 million people during 4th of July celebrations. Imagine a vast atmospheric ridge where hot air sinks, compresses, and intensifies under high pressure, blocking clouds, rain, and any overnight cooling. That's exactly what meteorologists tracked. One dome over the southwest and another from the subtropical Atlantic slamming together by early July, centering over the central U.S. and expanding eastward. Scientists explain that heat domes form when a strong, stalled high-pressure system acts like a cap. Warm air tries to rise but gets pushed back down, heating further through compression. In 2026, this pattern delivered widespread 90s to low 100s degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, with punishing humidity, shattering records across the central and eastern United States. The human toll is sobering. Extreme heat is already the deadliest weather-related hazard in the U.S., contributing to thousands of excess deaths annually when combined with humidity that prevents the body from cooling effectively through sweat. Vulnerable groups, older adults, outdoor workers, those without reliable air conditioning, and people with pre-existing conditions like heart disease or diabetes face the highest risks of heat stroke, dehydration, and exacerbated illnesses. Past events, such as the 2021 Pacific Northwest Heat Dome, showed surges in emergency department visits, over 20 additional per day in studied systems, and unplanned hospitalizations. Economically, this isn't just uncomfortable, it's costly. Annual U.S. losses from extreme heat already top $100 billion in productivity drops, healthcare, infrastructure strain, and lost wages, with projections rising sharply as events intensify. Power grids buckle under soaring demand for cooling, exacerbated by AI data centers, leading to outages that compound dangers, as seen with recent storms knocking out power for tens of thousands while heat persisted. Climate change plays a clear amplifying role. A warmer baseline atmosphere, driven by greenhouse gases, makes these high-pressure patterns more intense, longer-lasting, and frequent. Events once considered rare now carry fingerprints of human influence, with studies showing heat waves becoming hundreds of times more likely in a warming world. This July setup echoes that trend, arriving amid broader patterns of record-shattering warmth. What makes this particularly dangerous is the lack of relief. Minimal nighttime cooling traps heat and humidity, increasing risks during outdoor holiday activities, travel, and even indoor spaces without adequate cooling. Officials issued widespread heat advisories, urging hydration, limiting exertion, and checking on neighbors, especially as celebrations coincided with peak intensity around July 4. Yet there's actionable knowledge here. Simple steps like staying hydrated, seeking shade or AC, wearing light clothing, and recognizing early signs of heat illness, dizziness, nausea, rapid pulse, save lives. Communities with cooling centers and grid resilience fare better. Understanding the science, high-pressure dynamics, jet stream influences, and the climate connection helps us prepare smarter for a future where such domes may visit more often. This double heat dome isn't just weather. It's a vivid reminder of how our atmosphere is shifting and why vigilance matters now more than ever. What precautions are you taking during extreme heat? And how do you think we can better protect vulnerable populations? Share in the comments. Follow for more science-backed insights on our changing world.